Changing the page width in Wix is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into your Wix account and access the website editor. Once you are in the editor, click on the site menu icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of the screen. From the site menu, select the page option, then click on the page settings icon, represented by 3 dots. In the page settings window, click on the Layout tab. In this tab, you will find the page width option, where you can adjust the width of your page using the slider or by entering a custom value in pixels. It is essential to note that Wix has pre-designed width options, including full width, boxed, and custom width. When choosing a width, consider the content you will be adding to your page and the overall design you want to achieve. For example, if you want to create a modern and sleek design, a full width page might be suitable, while a boxed width might be more suitable for a traditional or classic design. After selecting your desired page width, click on the Apply button to save your changes. You can then preview your page to see how it looks with the new width. If you need to make further adjustments, simply go back to the page settings and make the necessary changes. Best practices for changing page width in Wix include ensuring that your page is responsive and looks good on different devices, such as desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. You should also consider the user experience and ensure that your page is easy to navigate, regardless of the width you choose. In conclusion, changing the page width in Wix is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and considering key concepts, such as page design and user experience, you can create a website that looks professional and is easy to navigate.